Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use the page break feature in Word to format your documents like a pro. First, open your Microsoft Word document. If you don't have one yet, create a new document or open an existing one. Now scroll down to the spot in your document where you want to start a new page. This might be at the end of a chapter, before a new section, or anywhere you need a clean break. So next is go to the Insert tab. So I will add a page break here. And then we will go to the Insert tab. And then you will see the page break option. Click on it. And then a page break will appear in your document. And everything after it will move to the next page. Take a moment to review your document. Now you'll notice that your content is neatly separated onto different pages, just like you intended. Don't forget to save your document. This way you won't lose any of your changes. And that's it. You now know how to use the page break feature in Word to format your documents effectively. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use page break in Word. See you on my next video.